that, ladies and gentlemen, you are on the same time zone as the US. That was my error. So we're now 10 minutes to 12.
Montego Bay, and if so, we're going to eat some food in St. Elizabeth. How far that is? Might have an hour, might have to get a coconut or a chicken patty or something. Yeah, now for going, so now I'm going away. I'm not going to funeral. This is Jamaica Good Life. Leaving the airport. Dep on it again, season 4 to the world. This is Montego Bay. KFC don't have no. Wait, the mechanics say KFC come not supposed to eat no meat.
KFC not no vegetable.
Them not no veggie chicken. No veggie chicken at KFC. And I know say if I drink a coconut man, or a veggie patty. This season is about veggie, Ital. The people that see me all over the world eat all different kind of food and thing, and them say, Rondie, pre-diabetic, I have to cut it out. So you know. So how you feel, honey? How you feel?
Feeling right,
You feeling right?
Yeah.
Have you been watching Jamaica Good Life?
Yeah, man, tune into it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You never know say so big.
Never know.
Yeah.
That global. Yeah, man.
And if you never know say so big.
Never know it's so big.
Yeah man, right now once you dip on this and put it out there tonight,
Yeah,
them
man,
see.
my friend called me the other day and said, man, Jamaica Good Life.
Jimmy Cliff.
Margarita built this.
Oh, it's a resort, right?
Yeah.
What? You ever been to the beach around here?
No.
No? You sure you don't want to stop by the beach for a second?
Yeah,
But
man, can't stop.
the back them out of the car though.
The beach all further up there, so.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to change it. We'll have to do that. Because we'll have to change our car. I can't just. Yes, Montego Bay. JR chicken. One day we have veggie chicken there, so.
You want to stop by here, so?
Yeah. Super much. This right here is where the famous KFC is. Since Rondie don't touch the meat too much, we really want to stop and get some food, but wait till we're moving more. Maybe we can get some fish for Hanif and thing. But blessed love to everyone. This is Jamaica. I don't know where I'm going to end up. But we know say Hanif, we're going to make a roll through Jamaica and check out some river. One day, get ready, have to sleep good. And we're going to move through. You know, we might go corner to corner. You see me?
Yeah.
We're going to move through. So, our journey, our experience, and the experience you're going to have being a part of this network is a trusted, safe experience. One thing I love about Hanif driving, there's no rush, there's no speed. There's no... and I don't like to drive with people that drive too fast and like them have to reach somewhere.
No road up driving, you know?
You see me? So, this is coming out. Where are we now?
This is the curve, the Zozo is going.
Oh, the Zozos. Checkpoint.
Yeah, checkpoints.
And Zozos are the police.
Yeah.
So this is where you were earlier.
Yes, man. We are going to go next one. I got 3 more we have to go through.
And they just pull over anybody and everybody?
Yeah, check them.
They search the car, they have the right to search the car.
Yes, they have the right to search the car.
Without a warrant, you think?
Without a warrant. Because it's a checkpoint.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Jamaica, I don't care when nobody tell you. Every time I come down and I keep telling you, you know, this your country, now that me dead down here, me don't eat nothing yet, come and try to keep it veggie. Them never have no veggie chicken, Montego Bay. So right now I'm showing you the fruits. Look there. Jamaica is so beautiful. Do not just listen to what I go and put it like this. The other day some people got killed in St. Catherine. It was a shooting. We don't know the full essence of what happened. You know what I'm saying? Normally sometimes it's a, you know, something happened with somebody.
Something go down, man.
Something go down.
Yeah, some leads, no?
You know, Hanif can tell you, in Jamaica, there's people just don't shoot people.
Yeah, no, have to be a reason. Have to be a reason why people come kill the next man.
So then in New Jersey, 6 people got killed. Same week. 8 in Jamaica, 6 in New Jersey.
Crime is everywhere.
No, you know what? The funny thing is, honey, nobody said New Jersey was the worst place on earth.
Right. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And
Nobody said that.
Nobody said that. But they'll say, wow, Jamaica has gone to the dogs. You see what I'm saying? Right? They'll say Jamaica has gone to the dogs. Now mind you, there's a lot of crime in Jamaica. Based on the condition and everything. More than they should be. But such a small place shouldn't be that way. The question is it livable? Can you live here?
Yeah.
So now you've lived here for how long?
36 years.
36 years of your life.
Yes. Born in Jamaica. Born in Jamaica.
Have you ever had any crime incidents with anyone or war or?
No.
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 Is your family well established?
Yes.
And your family keep a good profile in the community?
Clean profile.
Clean.
Yes.
And you get a lot of respect in your community?
Yes, highly respected, you know?
So what are some of the do's and don'ts for people when they come here? Give them some tips. How do you move to be safe? And how do you live day by day? How do you keep out of harm's way?
By finding something positive to do. Right, that is the main thing. Yeah, no idle.
No idle.
See, like what you're doing now?
Yeah.
Something positive. You're doing something positive.
Yeah. So you've stayed in the country a lot?
Yes, and work. So, Jay?
Yes, yeah. So this is Montego Bay. People talk about Montego Bay like it's the worst place in the world. Things are hot, but the police them on patrol to protect the tourists them and the people there. In the daytime, you don't find much crime, do you?
No. Anchovy, you know.
What's it called?
Anchovy.
Anchovy?
Yeah.
Big up to Kevin, he's from Montego Bay. And everybody from Montego Bay, I know so no harm if they tour out Montego Bay, but you know, we're gonna try to do St. Mary this time around. And we're probably gonna touch Port Antonio again. And people are doing their business and hustling. You know, this is Jamaica, and it's just so beautiful. It looks a little bit like Port Antonio. It's so beautiful, man. Every time I come back, it's just so lovely. And things are so spaced out, people. When you think of Jamaica and you hear of crime, but then when you look at the space, when you say to yourself, how many people got shot in this area? You know what I mean? look at the space and you say, people that running around just like, yo, we see a man, shoot him. When you hear people, you have to be here to just feel it.
Yeah.
When you're driving and you're moving and how you flex. If I was in a BMW right now, gold chain and everything and flexing and flossing, somebody would see me.
Yeah.
But me not look a white car and move through.
Right.
Nobody not care.
Nobody not.
Then that around there have another go with sneakers. Me not have no Gucci shoes.
On a big chain.
Me on a big chain. You see me?
Right, Randy.
Me not gonna bar go say, yo, everybody I drink tonight. Everyone. I'll pop some buckle.
Yeah,
and then everybody.
Braff.
What them call it?
Braff.
Braff.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm a braff right now. Yo, honey, if I go throw the liquor up on the car, then tell you what I'm
light up some money.
Light up. Hey, yo, all that. Rondie come through.
Yeah,
Hey,
right.
you wanna watch the car, honey? The car look like want some champagne right now. You see me? The car want some champagne, honey. Yeah, somewhere around, you know.
Yeah.
And them feel good about themselves and the lady look nice and she and next thing everybody see you. Everybody wants you. Everybody hungry. And you look like your belly full. And you go full them belly one time. And one time you full them belly, you know. Look on the thing how beautiful, man. Take a bit. Look at the thing beautiful. And you full the people them belly one time. And next day, them hungry again. And them say, boy, remember that you there Randy when it wash the car? And him have a nice woman and him did that stuff. When there? So well, him outside, stay outside, you know. Okay. Alright, I'm going to check him for your food now. So now, them a come check me for your food. Cause I come down and my braff, right? Pal off and nice and yeah man, we just want to know say love, you know, my love, you know, and thing and showing the love, you know me I say. I come for showing the love. And next thing you know, them prop right here, yo Randy, what go on? Yeah. Oh, what go on? So them want the same food where you get them yesterday and the same food them want again. When a man experience something good, them want it again and again and again.
Yeah.
So now me different now. When me come to Jamaica, me roll in a little white car, put on a little ugly sneakers, with a dirty sweater, no jewelry.
Simplicity, you know.
Sometimes I don't shave too good. Simple. But blend in.
Yeah.
And then you just blend in and boom. But you see when you blend out, you stand out. And when you stand out, people start look out. A lot of times when I walk, you know, not even woman look for me. They say, look at the prick it. Look for me. You know what I'm saying? They don't even look for me. And then you have some man when them dress nice. That is a problem in Jamaica. If you look too good, it's a problem. Says around why me can't look good? Because if you look too good, you know, me could have wear my bracelet, me could have wear my watch, but me choose not to.
Yes.
Me like to look like a
Simplicity, brother. Simplicity without what?
Yeah. And guys, whenever you look simple and do simple,
Yeah.
you know what I say?
Less experiments.
You know.
Yeah, true. Less experiments right there.
Yes. So when them see me come now, when I go see you, you know, I go put up my pants and I go walk and say, yo, I'm gonna get some breadfruit and give it to the poor. So I go have some fun in Kingston and this Jamaica Good Life season 4, I know some always that turn it up, talk. That's how I do. You know, people live them life and I do them thing, eat them dinner at them bar and thing. People live them life at Jamaica, man. Yeah. Maybe say, the people them just live them life. And every time I drive Hanif, we just see the beauty of the place and we just look on the tree them and You drive and you blend in and you just see a man like that and you just give him a little money and you're gone. Why I drink for him and then you start talking to him about the area. Yo, I'm going, what's around here? What the river there? And next thing him bring you, you know?
Yeah, man.
Because one of my technique is to roll up randomly on someone.
Yeah.
Create a random friend.
See it.
You see the random friend them? They're more likely to take care of you
Right.
because you give them something. Them don't know too much about you.
No.
You roll up on them, you change them direction. But if a man a wait upon you for come down for take you to a river, him a ready a plan. When me roll up on a man and say, yo, such and such, him not have no him not have no plan.
Nah, plan.
You see how me do it? You don't have no plan with me, cause what? I just roll up. So by the time you think about what you don't have no time for think. My God.
Yeah, no
by the
time
time
to
you're ready for it.
You go plan out.
My God. Call up on that. It's what that? Oh, you said that?
Cambridge.
It's a
South
Cambridge.
Lamar.
Okay, Black River.
Black River. Straight there.
Yes.
Then that one explains the need to tour again.
What?
Black River.
You know, so enough of the people I'm sure them tour it already with Lambert. The Black River with the crocodile.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Alligator, and then there's alligator pond. The zoos with them everywhere.
Everywhere, man.
This is their spot. Clothes and skirt, checkpoints.
Well, for 3 more checkpoints left to go through again.
Wow, them serious, them know something gonna come.
It's a bus, yeah.
Oh, so the man look for certain people.
Look for the good man, them, you know? And the wanted man, them.
Okay. So if this keep up, the place gets safer and safer.
Yeah, man, the most one. Less from this, I go on, you know, so we don't hear that, no killing going on, maybe.
Well, why?
Killing going on, but not much.
So then it would be nice if they have American them can really fund into security.
Right.
Because the more money you spend in security, if we this is what the government must use them brain, you know. Because if people come from Montego Bay and they put up $20 a month and say to the government, show me how you spend it and hire people.
Security, yeah.
So if you hire more security, the place more secure.
Must want more security and more place security.
So
look how much checkpoint to go through a while ago.
3 checkpoints.
And plus we have more to go through again.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So man have to find something for them.
Yeah. Man can't drive through with no gun again, man. Because they will get checked out.
And night time is it too?
Night time, whole night. Day and night. Yeah, man, day and night.
Because you know, in the subway in New York City, long gun there every day, you know.
Yeah.
So you see the difference with Jamaica and Brooklyn. If long gun in a Brooklyn, in a subway station every day, you go to Times Square, them did it 24/7.
Yeah.
So then the question is, all we need is to allocate fund for security. And in no time, Jamaica, them can't move. Them can't breathe.
No, you can't.
But then somebody will then say, well, the police, them corrupt too. Is it? So then they become a part of the corruption, even though you're paying them to protect.
To protect, yeah.
Yeah, so that's the challenge Jamaica's having.
Yeah.
Because they say
Corruption
in the force also. But look at this beautiful mountain, man. Look what.
Yes, man.
This is the kind of things that I love. And people
Looking in Westmoreland, right? We're looking in Westmoreland, you know.
Westmoreland, yeah.
Yeah, man. Not far from Westmoreland here, no.
So you're not far from the grill?
Not far, no.
We're not far from the grill?
I'm good distance, but Westmoreland, we're not far from Westmoreland.
Like, are we near, we're not near Roaring River.
No.
Let me take a look at the Google Maps. Again, people seem happy and excited about the adventure. And this is the first
Christmas project I go on here.
This is the Christmas project.
Yeah, people cleaning up the road, you know?
For the Christmas.
Yeah, so they might get their money.
Yes. Alright, let's zoom in on the map, people. I'll show you where we are. Okay, so you're cutting across. You're coming down. This is where we are, people. Where that's a blue dot right there. Make sure.
It's a South Lamar, 2034 miles.
Okay. Here we are. So that's okay. So basically, if we did cut across, so you are cut down, and if you are cut down, right?
Yeah. So turn left. When you go straight, you go say South Lamar. Where I go?
Okay.
Westmoreland.
Okay. So when you cut here, you are cut down, you're going towards Black River.
Right.
Around Black River is where Little Ochi is.
No, alligator pan is a little watches.
Okay. So what do they sell at Black River?
Black River, not normally, no, see. Black River is just like a river.
How is petrol? How is gas prices now?
Up and down, you know, just like US dollars. Say up and down.
People, you know, say, look on it, man. This is the life I'm love, you know. I love the easy, relaxing life. Look on the man and play them soccer. Jamaica, man, tell us something of them now. Take it from me, you know. No, sir, Lord. Feel nice. People, it feel not to be no food yet, but it feel nice. It feel nice today. You just have your brethren pick you up at the airport. It feel nice. And I haven't taken this route in the daytime to see the beautiful scenery. Sometimes it's nice. Look for the lush. Nice. Yeah, man, just mind your business. Buy a 1-2 drink. Get a simple car. You know me, I say you get a simple car. Do your thing. Wow, it's so everywhere look like a garden, you know. Everywhere look like the botanical garden. And rightful time in December is when a lot of fruits and things.
Yeah, right.
No one better than yeah. Look how the people are relaxed. No way. Nice looking Rasta girl. Ah, Lord, them say Rondie, you make me sell my house, you know. You know, big up to Claudine Clark, I can sell our house in Chicago. Big up to Mike, where they live, or Mark. Him quit him job because of Jamaica Good Life. From Atlanta, moved to Florida for plant job because of Jamaica Good Life. You see me? Because of Jamaica, what a bridge name? You don't know. Alright. Because of Jamaica Good Life, a woman go back to St. Thomas and plant 200 coffee tree. Because of Jamaica Good Life, a man quit smoke after 31 years.
Yeah, so it's Chester Castle.
This is Chester Castle.
Yeah, so they got primary school.
Chester Castle. Look what the picnic them on. Yo, let me tell you something, people. Let me tell you something. Just so you know. Simple car, simple life. You're living in a garden, people. Because a Jamaica good life, a man quit smoking after 31 years. Because a Jamaica good life, another woman quit smoking after 24 years. Become a teach, change and balance. Jamaica good life have a foundation. It's a spiritual entity. We say it's Jamaica good life. And I see if you know, they must say good. So they're going at the psyche of the people. So the youth, they must say good life now. And then we change and balance now. We teach them change. Everything in the universe does one thing, change and balance. Butterfly, car, iPhone. So the truth of the universal truth, the new order, what I'll give them is change and balance. You see, so it governs spiritual system. Because it happened with the animals, the air, your consciousness, your thought, your idea. Even your idea change and balance. So people are applying change and balance to them life. So my teaching is not just a guy a video thing. We're actually helping people to have a better life. So I show them Jamaica good life, bring in the organic, the godly power from nature. Show them the God through nature. See that, right? And then I'll show them that them apply change and balance to them life. And enough people. Remember, so we're getting Nadine. I say this on camera so people get it. We're getting Nadine to start our chicken business. Then he gets him driver's license. Eric now come down and start work with King Baba. You know me, I say, Patrick get him donkey. You see, we bring a juicer down for a youth and I see if you, when people the fans see my juice. Them give me a juicer for you. You see me?
Yeah, man.
And then another,
yeah,
man, and another man with it sick. Some people contacted my help him out to them foot I get better. And another man with asthma, Mars Vincent. Somebody contacted him for help him with him asthma pump. Then another person now, they have a stroke, with temporary help him move, so we can't reach out to him. Somebody need more help on the ground to help these people, but we never had the help on the ground. So basically, kind of when the people themselves send support, the people them before couldn't even just send a video and say, "I receive your support." So the people them start, you know, and some people start manipulate and use the system. Then you have some people start tell people bad things about me if you get money from the people them. So the good way we did start for the humanitarian thing, we have to pause it and change it up because better balance. Because the people them start lying for me now.
Them start cramping energy.
Yes. Them start talk bad thing, oh Rondie this, Rondie that. And when I call them and say, yes, somebody tell me say you say this. No, me not say nothing. Somebody tell me say, you said me owe your money. No, me not say that. So them now use the people and where I support them. So me, them send them money for them and me not give them the money. You see? So it kinda, as much as me want help, you know what I say? Let me keep filming. Let me keep on the first mission, brand Jamaica good. I'm now for really stress out myself. Look on the farm and them.
Sharp,
My shop, my shit. Whenever I see a lot of greenery, it just makes me excited. Bridging, the amount of fruit tree around your side, and what is this place name?
Going on to New Market.
New Market. Wow, this looks like Port Antonio. Wow. Just the drive is very healing, you know? So it takes from Mandeville to Montego Bay, it takes like what?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Wow. So do you get tired of driving?
No.
No? Because it's like therapeutic for you.
Yeah, it's my work, you know, so you can't get tired of your work.
And You born March again. I remember you born in March. Nice house, people. A lot of people watch the program because I never turn off the phone. I mean, I was a talk foolishness. I said, damn Rondie won't shut up. But the happiness, you know, the joy. Me's a man, I just joy and sit down, you know. When I say joy and thing, I have to make it know someone happy. It's joyous. But I love the greener, man. I just love it.
Please green up, man. Everywhere green up.
So, what does the sign say?
Church of God.
Okay. Look on the view, people. Look on the view, man. Come on, it's a new market. Look on the view. This is all over Jamaica. A slow pace. You smell some chicken, but that's not veggie chicken.
No.
I mean, no, say veggie chuck no smell so good. Rate, want big up rate, Rondie. You better change the diet, my lad. Cause we need you around for a long time. So, alright, look at that house, nice little house right there, so. Yeah, man. You know, this looks a little different from Manchester.
This is Bethel Town.
Bethel Town. So we're still in St. James?
Yeah, man, St. James. We're so out of St. James.
And after St. James, we're
St. Elizabeth.
You see, this is a little different from Manchester, right? More fruit and thing or not something. You're looking forward to go to the States anytime?
Not for now. Don't get no visas yet.
No visa yet. How old are your kids?
One is 6, one is 7 months.
How is she doing?
Okay.
So don't you guys have room nearby you guys to rent? Like, people don't rent out them room? Like for a long duration of time, like a month or...
No.
Their houses near around there?
We don't have any.
No, okay. When you're taking the curves, right? Because it's a different... When we're driving in the States, the roads here are very... What are some of your techniques for driving in Jamaica?
Focus.
Focus.
Yes.
And you communicate a lot with your horn.
Yeah.
So your horn is like your eyes.
Yeah.
Around the corner. And it helps the pedestrian when they're walking on the side also.
Yeah.
Town. This looks like a very nice area.
Yes, man. Developed too. Very fruitful place.
Yes. Have you ever been to Dunn's River Fall?
Yeah. Very nice place.
A long time ago?
Last year.
Okay. Been to Roaring River?
No, never.
Roaring River, nice.
Yeah.
And then there's Blue Hole, a lot of different.
So I hear me say nice, man.
So you have to go jump out, you have to go. Can you swim?
Oh, okay, I'll swim to help myself.
Well, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get one of them. So you've not really explored Negril, like beach life in Negril?
No, I never explored Negril Beach.
Wow.
Like St. Elizabeth and Orchard Beach.
Yeah.
I mean, experience.
St. Elizabeth and Orchard. Okay. Okay, Negril is nice. is where we come for, people. You don't drive in the night much.
Yes. Night and day.
Night and day you drive? What time you start?
Like when? In the morning?
Yeah.
It's at 6 o'clock.
6.
Yes, yeah.
And then you finish what time? What time you
Finish like 7.
It's like 12 hours with the driving. Back and forth for the school kids.
Depends. All depends on you the roads there.
Mm-hmm.
You have the trips there.
And a lot of school kids.
Yeah. School kids.
So now that you step away for today, them. So where Hanif they miss you.
Yeah, but they have other cars. Other cars on the roads.
One thing in Jamaica, when you blow 2 horns, you ask the guy a question.
Yeah.
And then he calls you until you're good.
You're clear.
Because he looks in his mirror.
Yeah.
So I'm learning this, you know.
Man, communication, as I said.
Yeah, when I notice people drive, say beep beep, them say no man, you're good, keep coming.
Yeah.
When you do beep, it's just you are notify somebody.
Notify, right.
So beep beep means hey, how am I looking?
What's up? Wow,
What's going on around the bend?
Yeah, right.
And
yeah.
beep means
You're
hey,
calling to somebody.
watch out. Yeah, you call.
You're hearing somebody, you know?
Yeah.
Like this one.
Yeah, one here.
Yeah.
Okay. You see that?
Yeah.
You'll never hear that nowhere else. I figured it out myself.
You're a quick learner, you know?
Yeah, man. You know, probably you don't even know that you guys are doing it.
No.
Yes, it's a it's a code, a road code.
Yeah.
And sometimes you see the man flag out them hand until you say, yeah, popo there, long so and flash him like in point on the road. Make him light. You know?
Yeah, man.
So slow down, yo, look for that St. James and a beautiful run the drive through St. James. And a beautiful, everywhere I go, have a special beauty. Everywhere people. Now, we take you through Portland. We'll go through St. Mary this time up around town. We take on it everywhere. And it's just beautiful. You see me? Look how pretty, man. Imagine living right up here up on the hill. Wow. Look on the view every morning when you get up. Wow. Right on here, so see the view there. Yo, take a picture, yo. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. A good thing will make you pick me up, man. Wow.
Feel this breeze, man. This coolness.
Yeah, man, I'm saying. I don't want to live in Jamaica in the good life. All I really want now is a good wife. Get a car, a vehicle, and move through. Best in the world. Best in the world, people. Best in the world. Went through St. James. Yes! Everybody can call too. That's one thing we love when we come down here. I take advantage of talking to people. We walk for 2-3 miles and I talk to people. Because you don't get that in the States, you know? Look at this, man. We have the phone turned off for 2 hours. The one of them watch the thing off for 2 hours, you know?
You know?
No, man, we just a record, but I sure say the people, they say, thank you, Randy. Lord God, my country pretty. Now come back and tell me how. We never do Randy.
Boost them up.
We say man boost them up. We say boy, man. This is the last video you do to St. James, man. I'm my neighborhood, you know. Every time I do a neighborhood, somebody always, man, when you pass through that been there, I hear something living up. I know the man there, no. So basically, I'm in the Portland, man. Because I'm gonna call me the other day. I'm 44 years and I come back home, you know.
Yeah, man.
44 years. So I put the camera up on them place. I'm surrounded. You doing what I'm doing, you know? I'm your uncle, that's it, so now we're going to...
There's something with this thing, man.
Yeah, man, I love it because you see, years from now, the people that we know said this is what changed their mind.
Yeah, and just Jamaica, you need to make more about it more.
Yeah, man, now see if you are catch on, you know, so they must share it. Because enough Jamaicans don't really know that Jamaica is so pretty, you know.
What you need to do is, you can broadcast them on TV, if you want.
Send it on the real TV,
Yeah,
If we edit and send them some.
Send it on TV.
Yeah, man.
TV station tune into it.
Yes.
Yeah, man, the whole Jamaica tune into it, you know?
Yeah. Yes, sir. The beauty is breathtaking. And the thing about this drive that is you're cutting into the heart. You're cutting at the bush, you know, Bridget. You're cut through, you know, about the coast, you know. And basically, this more beautiful than some place in Manchester because the tree them just hug you. You see me? Wow. Love it. You said, why is this man so excited about just bush? Where we come from, people in UK right now in Canada, them not see this. So a lot of the blogs, you don't see they spending the time showing the people the scenery. So for 2020, where's the party gonna be?
They're gonna do it all around. Montego Bay, Gully.
What are your plans for New Year's?
Just watch and see, you know? Just watch it, the New Year coming. Yeah.
It's a big deal, you know?
Yeah.
So do you go to parties still, like sound system?
Yeah, go to party.
Because
1 and 2 times, you know?
I know you're a fan of the 60s.
Yeah. 70s.
The artists, where you said them name? The Bro Gods?
Bro Gods, yeah.
6. This is a pleasant experience. Yes, this is majestic. Just to drive alone is like...
Straight dog.
Straight dog. Let's check the map. See what's in Okay. Alright people, let's take a look at the map now. See, this is Jamaica. We're going over there to Norway, Rendezvous. So are you're gonna cut straight across? The shortcut over there to Mandeville, or are you coming down?
Straight down.
You're coming down and go back up.
Yeah.
Okay. So the reason why we're seeing all this green area, people, is because of this green coming from the airport over there. So normally my route is to go to Negril right over here. Okay. And them do them production.
Christmas or shoppers.
See now, if they make them things, they're not just Christmas, you know. That's another funding idea for the people that have work.
Yeah.
You know, the man, they should have work all the time. Beautify the place. Don't worry, man, when I run for the office, you know, things are going to change. So, yes, Rondie, that's what I have to do. They will have to dress me up like Robocop. Can't know this place I stay in.
Yeah.
I have a travel in a tanker. I couldn't drive in a regular car because so much change would happen in the nation. The rich people, they would have given them a bite. I said, no, man, no, I'm going to just take out the remote of the system and build up hospital. Nah, I'm going to work, man, around the watch. Rich man, they wouldn't like me, you know.
Oh, they wouldn't like you.
They wouldn't like me, man. They would have hunt for me day and night. Would have a Robocop suit. You know, and tanker, I have to sleep in the tanker in my yard. So what kind of Prime Minister Rondie and that tanker I'm living at? The man, now come out of the tank, you know. The man give orders and everything from the tank. Me nah left, man. This is Jamaica, yeah? Lord God. No, sir. If you're going to really have change in this, the Prime Minister will have to make the change and get rid of corruption. You have to live in a tank, man.
Yeah, man.
You're going to have police around him. You're going to have people around him. You're going to have rich people around him because I make too much change.
What change is it?
A good change for the poor people. Hey, Papa, man, plant up in Papa tree.
The Papa walking.
Papa, walk, look na sir. You see the man, the farmer man house there. So you live, people. You know, say Kevin watched the video, you know, Kevin say, you're on there, my place, you drive through around it. So enough, we have a lot of fans, honey.
Yeah,
A lot of people. Enough people, we're glad to say. You're on board, people.
Kevin, I know this Kevin. I hear me tell us man. Call me and say, I never say, I hear as I talk, I see on Jamaica good life. As I one day. You come from your family down now side.
Okay, yeah. You know him?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the people that have great expectation for the program. Look at the beauty. It is my duty to show and brand Jamaica positive because just so you know, if media foreign right now, I'm hear about some killing. Immediately you turn your mind off. Right? And then when the people them huddle and start talk, them just prey upon the negative to the point where it look like say them so negative inside themselves. Negative attract negative, you know, them just pull together and them just dwell upon it. And then when I never take up the money and say, alright, when I never call the government, when I never lend a helping hand in the community when the person die out, them not do nothing, them just want to talk about it. So me say, let me do the alternative. Let me take my life and look on the positive. Let me go search for positive. Because I know so when Babylon, when I come for full country, you know, 800 room bill in a Marriott right now. 800, you know, at Trelawney. So the Chinese, they might come buy out the little apartment there, so they might invite them in for more businesses in Jamaica. So if they have the capital for the business and we don't have it, And them live at the Marriott. You don't even see where them live. So the rich people are gonna come in now, 2030, a whole new country. They're gonna come in, leave, and you not even see them. So that's how them build the highway. Them in, manage the marijuana business out, look on it. And I've been around here before, you know. I've seen that house before. This is beautiful. Heaven right now. Yes, right.
Wonder where them want to drive from the sun.
Yes, right.
Yes, in the road.
Yes, in the road.
Like when the people them have been like us and just buy the black material them and carry on them in. Alright.
Jamaica must always call to everybody. It is a human thing to do. That's why I love the country. Everywhere I go, I talk to the people and them respond. You know, when Rondie come through and do the thing, when I know so that's what I'm about. Human currency we deal with. We deal with human currency. You understand? That's what we deal with. Your job, this is my job.
Right. Yes, your job.
So we do. So I love it. Cause when you look on people that do YouTube, them not interested in the bush. Yes. And you see now, if you send a message, you know, we're doing it constantly. I probably over message us. But I tell the people in France, no, come home, protect the land, pay the taxes, you know, run from family, figure out for work with family, because the world is coming. Them starts to Jamaica, and it's a nice neighborhood, you know. Them starts to Jamaica. What a place, Britain, man. And them are comfy because other YouTubers expose it. And now the world seeing how beautiful it is. They've never seen it before now because they only stay upon. They only see the beach. So they're not really drive through them places. You see, no minibus, you see me? Them not drive through them places.
Let's see what it's all about.
And many Jamaicans who are abroad right now, them not see them place, yeah?
That's all, man.
Yes. So how much gas will take you all the way back from Montego Bay and come back?
4,000.
Not bad. The car good, man. The problem with the minivan, you know, the minivan take more. No?
Lesser.
The minivan take less, why?
Yeah, man. Some of them, you see, like the Toyota, them take lesser. You see, and this one say we burn more.
And the car not give much trouble. The car not give much trouble.
No, so not much trouble.
Are you a sportsman?
Yeah.
You watch sports?
Yeah, man. Track and field.
Track and field?
Yeah.
With the high schools?
Yes. High school and not high school alone. The country.
Okay. So your downtime, what is your downtime look like?
Down there, like.
Yeah. What you do for your downtime? Like relax?
Yeah, man.
A weekend you go church?
No, just watch some sports, you know?
A TFC that and a KFC, a TFC.
Yes, TFC. Yeah.
Tasty fried chicken. Okay. That is the headquarters for TFC. We should have traffic, but not to them a veggie chicken though.
This one could join vegetarian.
You know, my brethren in Canada rated, them all say, yo, Ron, my lad, I'm proud of you, you know. You drive all the way to get vegetable and how much chicken place you pass. You really have changed the diet, you know.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, man. It's a change and balance, you know. Big up Trusty and the Grill family. Big up to everybody over the world. This is Rondie on the journey again. The video long. We know some enjoy it. We talking foolishness from dusk till dawn. We don't drink a red stripe yet, not even a coconut. And we come from the airport. And we just work for now to make sure say gonna send me out up on the mission and I go. You see? We show now, we taking up on the journey. We know some of the cold, we know things rough on out the road. And I wanna make sure it's around it. You know, them keep supporting. For the one here to like to talk your foolishness, shut your mouth. And this is a big program for the world. Save you, keen up, big up yourself, family, everybody. It's all love. I look a van like that, man.
Yeah.
I look a van like that.
Nice to go on that.
Yeah.
In the woods, you know?
Yeah, man. Look at one. Nice. I'm so happy. So happy. People themselves up on the mission and come through and capture. This is a great capture. Because I've never. What's cool is now? New road, all age. So you just put that in your Google Maps, people. If you want to drive this path, just put new road all age in your Google Maps and it take you right through here. And you can experience the beauty through St. James, cutting across. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people welcome to Jack's Gate. A lot of people who grew up here are very happy to see this footage. Wow. So you've been driving, you're about 5 hours here driving home.
Now, yeah.
Wow. So we bring something for you, man. We bring something for you. We bring something for you. So we now left out honey, you know.
I know why you're on the foot.
No. We say if you man drive all this way and the last time you hang out with me,
Yeah, man.
I'm say I have to bring something for you because left you out, you know. And,
Say I'm a broke guy already, man.
we have to do the thing yesterday.
Yeah.
And things are only gonna get better from here because when I find people I can work with, then we start link up my people with them,
Yeah.
and things and things and things and things and things and things. You know, it's a happiness, it's a joy. Enough people wouldn't believe so when I get this far, reach far, the happiness, things are only gonna get better. Know that we have Hanif on board. August coming, we're bringing some people down. It's gonna be nice. And even if we have to rent the van, we do what we have to do because when people them come down and we go from place to place and we're gonna live a Jamaica master for a good life, and we have to bring them through here, so you see me? Because this little tour right here, this little drive right here, so is the Almighty.
I care, so yeah.